Good morning. Today is Monday, November 11th, 2024. I'm here at Port 32 Marina. This is Sigrun. We cleaned it most recently. We had a little bit of confusing notes, so we're just going to double check these sail drives, the rubber boots that are between the sail drives and the hull, and see if there's any zincs that we have mislabeled previously that are on the sail drives. So let me go ahead and get this video and we'll go from there. Okay, so that was your starboard side. We do not use a prop nut zinc for that sail drive, so we could go ahead and we're going to edit that in our notes. The rubber boot on the starboard side of the starboard sail drive is starting to come loose. So there is a spot, it looks like it could be a gory collar zinc that could go there, but I will do more research and update the notes. Now on to the port side. Alright, so for the port sail drive, again, probably a gory collar zinc. Both sail drives do have a very large split ring, and the rubber boot that goes between the sail drive and the hull on the port side is disconnected but still there. It is stuck between the end of the sail drive and the sail drive prop and the hull, just floating back and forth. So now that we have those notes, we'll go ahead and update the information that we have for the boat.